time we'll look at VUP Live 2D mode they introduced. If you're looking for the Live 3D tutorial for this application VUP, I have the link for Syafire's video there. She already did it, so I won't do it again. So you'll need a Live 2D model. All the links mentioned in this video will be in the description too. So yeah. First one is downloading this application on your Steam account. And that's all you need. You don't need a webcam, you don't need a phone. Obviously, if you have webcam or phone, you can use it for face tracking. But it's not necessary, it's optional. Oh, I guess I'll see you on the other side when you download the application, and we are in the application. So that's the application here. We already load the model, the default model from VUP application. XiaoYeZi, that's the default one, but if you want to have your own, you'll have to add a model, and you have to import a model. How to get a model? As we already mentioned in our VTube Studio web tutorial that we did here, you can find the link there. We can draw it yourself, just like you by using it, using an artist program like Clip Studio Paint, or you can always commission an artist on Twitter or whenever artists hang, right? After that, you have to Live 2D animate it. One way to do it for yourself is having Live 2D Cubism. You can download that. Otherwise, same thing as your character heart. You can always commission someone, same location. Now you're looking for Live 2D animator instead of artist there. A commission for artists. Another way you can do is download pre-drawn and pre-animated avatar as we did in VTube Studio. We'll be doing the same over here in VUP. We'll use the sample model collection that we have on Live 2D website, the sample data, and the same one that we used previously in VTube Studio. We'll be using Arrow again. Okay, now we can come back in the application since we have a model either through commission or we download it. So we'll have a model now, and when you import your model, make sure that your model is a model3.json. So we'll import Aru herself, and we'll click on her to activate her. Oh, Aru's back, right? Aru's back again for another video. So we'll move her a little bit on the display 2D there, because you have the display 2D screen and you have your setting, I guess, on the right. Left side, you can see your avatar. So we'll move her a little bit. And the weird thing is, like we did on the VTube Studio, she has 4 arms, so that's weird. So we'll do something about it. We'll do an action. We'll remove it by doing an action. For action, it will be motion3.json. So we added the idle one there, and her idle one removes so now we don't have 4 arms there. And then the number here is pretty much the hotkey you set for your action. You can always loop it by clicking that. And also the hotkeys here, you can change it too. Let's say I put Z there. Can always click 0 to reset everything, but if I want to have an idle animation, I'll click my Z again. And how to get action? That's those files are what you do in Live 2D Cubism. So those animations. So if you have a Live 2D animator doing it for you, that's what they can do for you. There's some animation there. After that, you have emojis. Same thing that you can do in Live 2D Cubism. And for Aru, she has all of those. When we import the model, she had all those set up here. You use the default model, yet she has a lot of emoji as well. So wow, she has a lot of stuff that can be done with emoji. That's pretty cool. And she has a lot of action too. I like the drink mill here. Got that sip here again. And also, if your hotkeys are not working at this point, you might go into your system setting and have background shortcut. If background shortcut is not activated, your hotkeys over there won't be working for your character there. After that, you have props you can do. So I just downloaded this one is only PNG files. So I just downloaded a PNG file here of a laptop, and I did that. I did my laptop table here. How does it work? It's pretty much like that. Click on that. We'll modify it a little bit, because right now it does look a little bit weird, but so you pretty much change the position of everything. So I'll have to change the same thing for the table too, and same thing for the laptop too. Right, we reduce it a little bit to reduce the size of the laptop. It looks decent now, so we can save that setup here. You could have had an apple, big apple there. So that's the little setup that we had in here. Laptop, table, and whatever, right? With the gaming chair there. And that's pretty much it. You just have your hotkeys and you use them when you need them when you're talking, pretty much. And if it's a sad moment, you can do your hotkeys there. Oh no. After that, like I said, it's optional, but you have it over here in the broadcast tab here. Face capture or phone capture tab. So face capture, camera one is if you have a webcam, you can do the face capture. You just turn that on and it will take time to recognize your face, and there you go. After that it works. There you go. And now the characters follow me. So we have the Apple here. Yep. Got my Apple, got my laptop. Pretty good. So yeah, if you don't have a webcam, you can also use your phone. You'll have to download VFace on the official website, vlivemax.com. And you go into the download section and you can download VFace on your Android phone, and you can use your phone as a webcam instead of a webcam if you want to do the face tracking, which is not necessary, but if you want to do it, you have that. And then you set everything up over here. Virtual camera you can do. Virtual camera is when you want to do calls. VHUP already made a video about it, so I'll link that video for you if you want to set up the virtual camera for your calls there. We pretty much done everything in VHUP, so you pretty much only have hotkeys left. You use your emoji, you make more emoji. Sometimes you might change your model, sometimes too. You might change the cloud of your model, but mostly your model will stay the same for a while, and you will introduce more emoji, action, decoration for your stream. So every time you do a stream. That's pretty much it. To that, you need something to record your video or your stream. So in OBS, first way to do it is game capture. So there you go. You see the game capture. You select the what you want to capture and pretty much display 2D there. So we have our avatar here that we can drag around. So let's say we'll put it in the background and in the corner here. That looks okay. So if we edit the scene, we can crop it. So okay, that seems a little bit better now. And we have our avatar over there in the corner. She's ready to take over the world, right? She has a laptop, she has the Apple, and let's go. That's how you can do that with the background and with the decoration. After that, if you don't want to do the background and decoration, you have another way too. So another way is doing a gate capture again, and this time we can do it with transparent background. So we allow the transparency. We'll activate transparent stream here. Click that on. Boom. So there we go. We have the props, but without the background now. Just like that, right? And that's another way to do it. The way we can do it is having another game capture again. This time we'll turn the transparent stream off, and this time we'll go into scenes and we'll put a per color scene. So we'll go green screen this time. So now we go back into OBS. To remove the green screen, we'll have to add a filter. We'll add a chroma key to green, and then remove the green without losing your character. So seems about right like that, right? Then you did it with green screen here. So that's how you do it, right? After that, last thing we can is the live gifting stuff. They only have it implemented for Bilibili, so you can use it for a Bilibili account, but when people are typing stuff, doing emoji, you can trigger them for your avatar as well. So if I turn that on, when people redeem the stuff here, that's an interesting feature to look up for in the future. And we pretty much covered everything. So that you just record video, or live stream, you make content, and you become a VTuber now. Just learn your hotkeys. You just saw something so amazing. Pretty much. That's for that application. If you have questions, you can always ask in the comment below. Join the VHUP official Discord always. Until next time, bye everyone.